I would start with just a butterfly, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right out and in, then left out and in, right up and down, left up and down, then repeat, right out and in, left out and in, right up and down, left up and down. Then butterfly turnaround, even if you're doing it in 2 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, go the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, thread the needle, take as long as you need, bring it up, come up over your head, down, tap, and then your counterclockwise corkscrew, turning. Now remember, because I'm doing this so that I'm facing the curtain as my audience, right? I'm gonna come down and tap, up and tap, up and tap, up and tap. Now turn and tap, turn and tap, turn and tap, turn and tap, and add the jump. Add the jump. And then from here, come down into your overhand weave here, and then you're gonna fountain, and then again, and then chasing the sun, and then you'll come up to your pinwheel, bum, 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 and then your pinwheel big, and then down into your weave, turn around, go the other way if you're feeling really stoked, and then sweep up over the top into your buzzsaw and pose for your ending. And 5, 6, 7, 8, right out, left out, and right up, and left up, repeating to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Then your 2 count butterfly turnarounds until you get them in 1, 4, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, thread. And then we're gonna bring it up, get it up and over your head, down and tap, and corkscrew, and boom. I added that turn, sorry. I'm not supposed to add the turn until after I go the side to side. Now the turn. And now the jump. Then into your overhand weave, to your fountain, to your chasing the sun, 2, 3, 4, up to pinwheel, 1, 2, 3, 4, extension for 4, 3, 2, 1, down to overhand weave, turn around to the right, to the left, and chase up over buzzsaw and pose, whatever your pose is.